MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Bernard, this is an interesting concept of machine here. This is the Kingsland Steelworker.
Yes.
Can you tell us what it does?
It's a classic Kingsland Steelworker, as we make them already for decades, but more up to date, of course. It has 5 working stations. This is the punch end, which is separately commandable, so you can work with 2 persons on this machine, and this end is operated from this side with 1 separate foot pedal. You can adjust it for all kinds of special tooling, bending tooling, forming tooling. It's a whole library, and even special tooling specially adapted for the people. You can adapt it also with a feeder, CNC feeders. You can have a CNC table or even clamp master table. There's a whole range of possibilities with starting from this base classic machine.
So with it being a steel worker,
Yes.
that essentially means that you can do various different disciplines.
Yes.
So you can do punching, you can do bending,
forming, all kinds of
all on the
steelwork
one
operation.
machine.
All on that one machine. In the standard form, you have 5 working stations. So the punch end, as I already mentioned, but then also the second side, which is operated by a separate foot pedal for L profiles, cropping bar sections, square and round bars, and then flats.
Okay.
They can be it can be operated automatically via the touch and cut. So that means if you set it to a certain length and you feed the bar each time you hit the touch and cut switch,
Yeah.
it will make a cut
Okay.
on any of these sections.
Yeah, okay.
And then the last station, number 5, is the notching station, which crops square sections out of a flat bar of steel.
So from an operation perspective then, would you have more than 1 person on this machine?
That's possible. Not necessary, but a possibility. Yeah.
And what is the key benefit, and why would somebody buy this machine? So that they can save having 3 or 4 different machines and having all in one place? Is that the idea?
It's a cheaper way of doing, because you need only 1 pump, you need only 1 reservoir, so technically it's cheaper to combine 2 machines in one. Secondly, this is very often bought by people who are not so much in high production, but more in they need all the tools. If you're on a building yard, you want to have all the. If you're on a ship, you want to have all the tools, not necessarily to run day and night,
Yeah.
but if you want to crop, you want
Yeah.
to have it available, and so on.
So I'm getting the picture now. So in our arena, in our market, the engineer, the precision engineer, CNC machine shop, if you did fabrication, but
Yeah.
maybe not in big batches,
Yeah.
but you needed the ability to
adapt.
quickly adapt and do different things, the
Yeah.
steel worker would be the right machine.
That's the right machine in this case. When you go to high productivity, then you go to the more automated systems, which is basically the same machine, but suited for higher production with a CNC control and so on and so on. So,
And Heiko, this is supplied by RK International here in the UK.
RK International is a major dealer from Kingsland for the UK market.
And so it's not just the steel worker. If you do step up to do production or something else, you can come to this brand of machine to do that as well.
Yes, of course. You
Yeah.
can always contact us directly too, of course, but RK is major for us in the field of MOD, everything that's tendering, that's concerning tendering.
This is the first time I've seen a machine of this nature.
Yeah.
I've been in engineering probably for 15 to 20 years. I know about punches, presses, benders, notchers, nibblers, but I've never seen it all in one place. So
No.
it's been a real education to me.
It's especially suited for heavy steel. We are not going to. You can, and some people do, but it's not really made to punch plate of 0.5 millimeter, for instance.
Yeah.
We will easily punch 20 millimeter, as you have seen
Yeah.
today in the demonstration.
And is there a restriction on capacity? So do you?
Well, there is always there are the physical restrictions. You
Yeah.
can only punch that much. Well, you need a certain tonnage to cut a certain hole or to punch a certain hole.
Yeah.
It depends on the diameter, the tensile strength of your material, and the thickness, obviously. Yeah.
So if I was an engineer and I had an application, I would come to you guys or to
Yeah.
RK International. and you would then specify a machine that could cater
We
for
will,
that type
we
of
will
part.
propose what you need for the job you need to do. Also towards the special tooling, very often people come with parts to us. Let's say I want to make this, what do I need? Well, then we offer him the machine, we offer him the tooling, we offer him anything he needs.
It's complete flexibility.
It's complete flexibility. We even go to that point that we do really fundamental research. We have now a big bearing producer who has ordered a number of tests just to do research on the feasibility of the solution that we have proposed.
Okay.
We go very far in this. It can be even fundamental research on how to produce things and how to make things. Even nowadays, bearings are still being developed, apparently. It's not all engineered.
Yeah. Bernard, thank you very much for your time. It's been a real
You're
pleasure.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.